Okay, so let's connect our bike with our phone, and as I switched it on, so it got connected. Now let's focus on the ride. So today we will be majorly focusing on trying to get the bike uphill and how does it perform. Let's see. The weather is quite good. It's almost 8:05 a.m. right now, and it's fine. Bit cloudy. Let's see if it rains. I hope it doesn't. Okay, so finally we are going up the hill now, and let's see how does our bike perform. I'll put on the screen the elevations we guys are going through. So it's very small up the hill kind of thing, but yeah, pretty smooth so far. Okay, now comes the proper test. I'm in a second gear right now. You can hear the sound of exhaust, and it went on quite smooth actually, and that's pretty good.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up.
I guess you might have observed this, like how smoothly it picks up the speed, goes at a certain speed, and the best part is like dropping the speed is quite simple on this bike. It's like a light machine which looks too bulky. To control this bike, I never feel any kind of different efforts to be used. I have ridden like Enfield couple thousands of times, and I have felt like, okay, this is not a comparison video at all, but see, that's a bulky bike that looks bulky, that is quite heavy, and while controlling it, you just can't go on putting the front brakes or rear brakes just at a one time and the bike will stop. It doesn't happen like that. It takes a bit of time. But in this case, I'll show you once again. I'll just put on one brake, not even the two. I haven't used the front brake at all, and stopped pretty well.